Hello everybody and welcome to a new video on my channel, and so finally after a whole month of no videos, a new video over here. Thank you so much for watching it, and it's something so exciting and something very new and fresh out there, and I'm going to unbox and give you my first impression about the new range of Zoella Beauty. And I'm very excited. You know how much I loved the last summer's collection, which was, I don't remember how it was called. Probably not that important, but I remember that I really loved the last few collections. I remember loving the Christmas or winter edition she made, and last year's summer collection. I think it was something fruity or sweetie or something like that. I will try and link everything in the description box down below. And today I'm showing you the new collection, and I think I got pretty much everything in one way or another. I ordered everything on Feel Unique, even though you can by now get all the products in the stores in Germany, but it always takes quite a while, at least in my hometown. I'm living in quite a small town, so it takes a while until all the products arrive here, and sometimes they don't even get it. It really looks very pretty. So I got everything on Feel Unique, and now let's dive into the parcel. So first of all, I see, and I really love the packaging of it, I see the Drench Me Bubble Bath Soak. And of course I have seen all the packages already, all the packaging and all the products online. I could not get around them anywhere, so it's quite of another first impression of the packaging, because I knew all the products before. But I really love it. It feels very lovely. I really love the design of this. This is always, I'm such a huge fan of the Zoella Beauty packaging ideas. It's always so creative and so many lovely ideas. So really love this again. It's like a milk carton. So this smells really lovely. It's not strong at all, but it's really lovely. It's very fresh, and I don't even know, I did not even did any research, so I don't even have any idea about the whole scent thing about it. So it says here, take a soak in the streamy bubble bath with refreshing aquatic notes and skin-loving extracts of hydrating coconut water and radiance boosting lychee. Put a small amount under warm running water and swirl with bubbles until bubbles appear. So I really now knowing that it is lychee, I actually think that I can smell it. I would say it's really fruity and fresh. I really love this scent. I think I even love this more than from the last summer's collection. And I don't know if you have seen my last video about the last summer collection, but I was so over the moon about the scent of this. Really love this. So this is Drench Me, which is a bubble bath soak. I don't have a bath like at the moment, but I have one at my mum's at home, and I will definitely try this very soon. Okay, the next thing, this is this. Okay, so I did not get the shower and the shower gel and the body sorbet, because there was this little gift which you could get when I ordered everything, and I thought, you know what, at first, until I didn't know too much about it, I would just try the mini ones, and this is so cute. So this was a little gift set which you could get if you order on Feel Unique any of the new range, any products. And this is so pretty. I wanted to get one of these again for so long. I had one a very long time ago, and I loved it when showering, and then you use this and everything foams up so lovely, and this is really soft. I love the shades of these, and you can hang this in your shower. This is really cute. I love this. I love the whole little gift set which you could get. And in here so in here you have a little teeny tiny Quench Me body sorbet, which is perfect for traveling, by the way. Ooh. Of course, the same amazing scent. I'm going to try this one. It's a very lovely and funny kind of consistency. I'm going to try this. Oh, this is so lovely. I love the consistency of this. It reminds me a little bit of the Body Shop overnight mask thing, consistency wise. Oh, this smells so nice, honestly. It's so not heavy. It like sinks in immediately. A little bit sticky still, but Oh, I love a good body lotion which sinks in quickly. This is so nice. So if I can't find this in some store near me, I definitely go and get the bigger size. Okay, and then in here also we have the little Make a Splash moisturizing body wash. And of course it smells just the same. This is so lovely. So Zoe, well done. I love it. Okay, so on the back of this little moisturizing body wash, it says, enriched with hydrating coconut water and radiance boosting lychee. This moisturizing body wash will leave your skin feeling cleansed and beautifully soft. Massage into wet skin until soft bubbles appear. Rinse well. I remember how much I loved the body washes before. Will definitely be a huge fan of this one either. Also, there's a sale of Unique at the moment, which you can get 20% off the whole range already. So I think it's out 1 week and you can already get 20% off. That's nice, and I highly recommend that you do get them. Okay, very amazing. And actually I think the second time, yes, I got the makeup bag last year in the summer collection. So you have an amazing and quite nicely sized makeup bag or beauty bag, which says beautiful on the front. I love the pattern on it. I'm such a huge fan of the tropical theme anyway, so that's quite nice. It's very lovely. You have a little zipper thing, has a little tropical leaf on. Really love this. And you can fold it very easily, and then it's easy to store. Because when you do not use it, and a big one like this is something perfectly for traveling. So this is going to Amsterdam with me in summer when I'm going on holiday. You can definitely fit everything in here. And I really love it. And then I have, quite a few things actually left. Of course I got the scent. I don't know why, to be honest, because I never get the scent before I try the range, because this is basically the scent inside of the products as a body spray. And I actually never get them the first time I order something off the range, because I never know if I like the scent. Very happy that I did though. So this is the Botanics body mist. Love the packaging again. The packaging of these is every time on point. So pretty, and so nice. Definitely going to smell lovely all day. Pretty. Thank you so much for creating something like that. Okay, the next thing out of the box I have here is the Lagoon Love Bath Milk Powder. Now I do not quite get the concept of this so far, because it's basically one package, one little thing which you open here by zipping it up here. Bath Milk Powder. Soak your cares away with this moisturizing bath milk powder. Enriched with hydrating coconut water and radiance boosting lychee, it will leave your skin feel beautifully soft and hydrated. Empty the sachet. Empty the sachet under warm running water and swirl until fully dissolved. So you basically put all of these in the water as I get it, and then it will make the water quite milky, I think, and lovely. I doesn't know if this is maybe enough for 2 baths. What should you say? This is enough for 2. I don't remember how much. I think it was under €3, so that would be okay for 1 bath, considering, I don't know, for example, like Lush bath bombs. I really love this idea. So you can basically put this in and rinse until it's dissolved in anything, and then put a little bit of this in, and then you have bubbles and a milky bath water, and I think that would be very nice together. I hope so. I hope a lot so. So if you have tried these already, let me know what you think. I'm actually thinking about, like, in 2 weeks or something, that I make another video when I tried everything nicely. If that would interest you, let me know. Like a little extra video on a Friday or another day of the week, plus the video which actually is the main video. If you're interested, let me know. If you would like to see what I think or when I use these, besides the body lotion which I now love. I have to use it on the other arm too. It makes me happy. That way I think a product does its job quite nicely. Okay, this is the first and the last thing in here, and I think the last thing of the whole range. So I have everything, even I do have 2 minis. And this is, I think, the first in the whole collections, isn't it? This is a Zoella Beauty So Soft Lip Oil. I think this is the first time that you made a lip oil, isn't it? I cannot try it now because of the lipstick I'm already wearing. Oh, it smells a little bit sweeter than the other products. It's a very nice sweet scent, but it's definitely sweeter than everything else. So definitely still nice, and I love the packaging a lot. Everything is like a bubblegum pink and green and white. I think that's very lovely. So I unfortunately cannot try this now. I don't know if you can put it on top of lip gloss or lipstick. Right here also, don't you have a mirror with me here? I'm going to try it on top of my lipstick. I don't know if that makes any sense or if you can do it that way, because it's a lip oil, it's more like a lip balm, I think. It makes my lipstick shiny instead of matte. It's really, really nice. Would maybe not recommend it to put it on top of a lipstick, because now that applicator has the color of the lipstick. It's more like a sweeter bubblegummy scent. What's very, very nice, it does not make the lipstick disappear. Sometimes I think when you put a lip balm or something on top of a lipstick, it kind of makes it move all around the lips and disappear. Doesn't do it at all. It makes it feel very, very nice and very, very comfortable actually. So feeling and look wise, definitely something you can put on top of a lipstick. It just, all the colour goes onto the applicator, and that means that the next time you apply it, you will have the colour of the lipstick on your lips. Might not be a bad thing, depending on how you see it. So yes, this has been a whole collection and I'm so happy about it. So sorry if you will ever watch this video, which probably will never happen. But if, thank you so much for creating such an amazing collection. I'm so happy and so excited to try everything. Thank you just a lot, and I can't wait for the next one already because it's so amazing. And I think I got the first collection, the first like whole collection was the Sweet Inspirations one, which was in this like 20s kind of inspired packaging. And since then it got better every year, so I really can't wait for what will come next year. Very excited. Thank you so much, Zoe, for creating this, and for you and your team and everybody who was involved. Can't wait to try everything, and yes, I'm very excited. I love everything I tried so far. This one is amazing. The Quench Me thing, body sorbet, great, great, great. And the other things I can't wait to try. This one is definitely going to sit on my makeup table for everyday use. And it's so pretty also. Speechless, it's everything. I love it so much. And I definitely will get the body sorbet in a full size. So I'm loving, loving, loving everything. Thanks so much, Zoe, once again for creating it. Everybody who has the product, let's chat about it in the comments down below. I really would love to hear what you think about it and which products you love most. And like I said, I can't wait to tell you everything about it. I definitely will write a blog post about it, I think. And I really would love to make a little video in like 2 weeks time or something like that, where I tell you everything about the products in depth and all the details and what I think about them. So yes, that has been my little video for today. Nothing too special maybe, but it was very special for me, and I just enjoy these collections always so much, and I hope that you enjoyed my little video about it. So thank you so much for watching it. I will see you in my next video, probably next week, and I hope that you will have an amazing July. It's my birthday month, so I can't wait for it. I think it's the first birthday since about 5 years, which I'm properly going to celebrate, and I'm very excited about that. So yes, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you soon. Take care and have a wonderful time. Bye!